Tonight is for rest. Let your body soften. Let your mind become quiet. You don't need to think anymore. You don't need to plan anything. Just breathe. This gentle brown noise is here to create a safe, calming space for deep sleep. Allow the sound to settle around you like a blanket. Feel your thoughts slow down. Let your breathing become steady and relaxed. With each moment, your body becomes heavier, more peaceful, and more ready for sleep. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Simply return your attention to the sound. Let it guide you back to calm, back to stillness, back to sleep. You are safe. You are relaxed. And you are ready for deep, restorative rest. Sleep well.